Welcome back to my channel. Wow, I'm so excited to be on your beautiful faces again. Today I'll be teaching you how to produce a very essential product. A product that we need in our homes almost every day. Here, this is my beautiful towel cleaner. Do you see how beautiful it is? Yes, that is what we'll be learning how to produce today. I'll be teaching you how to produce a very simple and yet very effective towel cleaner. This particular towel cleaner can be actually used for both colored and white towels, and it will not peel off your colored towels. It will leave it more beautiful. See how beautiful my towel cleaner. So just come with me. Let's jump right into the video. Okay, so here we go. How to produce very effective and simple towel cleaner. Yes, that is what we'll be learning how to produce today. If you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Oge Chimadukom. I'm the lead trainer at Global Just Business School. I give you value each week on this channel. So here we come. We'll be using just two chemicals. Hydrochloric acid. I'll be using 250 ml for this batch of production. Yeah, my hydrochloric acid. Remember that when working with hydrochloric acid, you need to be very careful. Look at the fumes. It is a very corrosive acid, so don't joke with it. And also my sulfonic acid. Yes, we'll be using just two chemicals. My sulfonic acid, I'll be using 125 ml. Please do this production in a well ventilated space. If it is indoors, make sure the windows are open, make sure the doors are open, and better if you can make it outside, it will be perfect. Please don't let children come close to where you're doing this. And here comes my fragrance. I'll be using 20 ml. And then my color, this color is optional. I'll be using just a pinch just to beautify our product. So you can decide not to add your color at all. And here comes my water. I'll be using 2.7 ml. Remember I said we are making a batch of 3 liters. Since we already have hydrochloric acid and sulfonic that is almost 300 ml, I'll be using just 2.7 ml of my water to make up my batch of 3 liters. So here goes my water into my mixing bowl. Don't mind the foam. I already made foam booster. I already taught you how to make foam booster. You can see the video on my channel. I've tried to wash and wash, yet the foams refuse to go. That is to show that it is very effective. So don't mind, it won't affect this production. So let's just carry on. So here I'm measuring my hydrochloric acid. I've poured it in 250 ml of my hydrochloric acid. It has gone in. Okay. So the next, I'll measure my sulfonic acid. Remember, I did not say sulfuric acid. I said sulfonic acid, and it has gone in also. Just add and you say, look at the fumes. Can you still see the fumes? That will tell you that hydrochloric acid is very corrosive. It should be handled with very great care, very great care. And here I'll be adding my color. The next is to add just a pinch of color. It is also very optional. You can decide not to add it, but just to give it a little bit of beautiful appearance, just to beautify it, you can just add a pinch. Look at how it has changed the color of our product. So you can just add a bit, and it is water-based color. I used water-based color. And here my fragrance, 20 ml of my fragrance, just 20 ml. I'll just dilute a little bit of water because I don't want to pour it in directly, because some fragrance has the tendency to water your production. So here we come. Look at our beautiful towel cleaner. Very simple, yet very affordable. You know, one thing with me, I love simplicity a lot. I always make production very easy for you. I don't like add this, add that. No. If I'll be achieving the same result, then why add all those things? Remember, you'll be increasing your cost as you're adding so many things into one batch of production. Here we go. Bottling a beautiful towel cleaner. Will you try this at home? Let me know. Just comment with a yes if you'll be trying this. It is very simple. It is affordable, and it is also very effective. I will show you me using it in this video. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please, I beg you, do well to subscribe to this channel as you get value overload here. And please like this video so that YouTube shows you to more persons that needs to see it, please. And also share. You know there's love in sharing. Please share, share, share. Share to all those that will need, because this is a very essential product that we'll need in our homes almost on a daily basis. So please share to your loved ones, share to your neighbors, even share to your enemies if you have one, and they will bless you for sharing it to them. I'll be having a physical training in our factory in Lagos this month, where I'll be teaching you how to produce bar soap and other products in a profitable way. In our factory, you come to see everything live. So if you're interested, just click the link in the screen with physical training, and then you join the WhatsApp group where this training will be holding. So here I come. I want to test out our product. Let's see how it feels. Look at how dirty this towel is. Let's see if our towel cleaner will be able to remove these dirty stains. Let's see. Just watch and let's see. Wow, look at the stains coming off very, very easily because we are using a very effective towel cleaner. Can you see? Look at how easy. So what you do is just pour your water and all the stains. Look at how all the stains are gone in a jiffy. Please, if you want to join our physical training coming up in our factory in Lagos, to be a 2-day training this month, please click the link to the WhatsApp group. You will see physical training. Just click there, join, and let's discuss more on the modalities of those training, the fees and the dates on the WhatsApp group. Here, I have gone to look for another conch stain towel. Let's see if this product will be able to remove this conch. These stains have been here for years. Let's see what will happen. Okay, here goes our toilet. Sorry, here goes our tile cleaner. Don't mind me, toilet cleaner has entered my mouth, but it is tile cleaner, not toilet cleaner. But it can also be used for the toilet actually. Yes, you can also use it to wash your toilet bowl. But it is specifically made for tap. But yes, it can be used for the toilet as well. So here comes our brush. Look at how it is removing those stains very, very effortlessly. Did you see? These stains have been here for years. Yes, we didn't even allow it to soak in for so long, and it is coming up very, very easily. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, I beg you. I'm giving you value overload on this channel. Please do well to subscribe. I beg you, subscribe and also share, like, and so that YouTube shows it to more persons that need to see it, and they will bless you for sharing to them. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.